Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart.
Hi everyone. In today's video, Emma will share a short story about her first day at university. This story is perfect for beginner English learners. You will learn new words and simple sentences about student life, classes, and making new friends. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, my name's Emma, and tomorrow is a big day for me. I'm starting university for the very first time. I just finished high school, and now I'll be studying computer science. Honestly, I feel both nervous and excited. I've never been to a university before. What will it be like? New friends, big classrooms, new things to learn. Right now, it's Sunday evening. I'm sitting at my desk, looking at my schedule. Classes start at 9 a.m. I write in my diary, first day of university, tomorrow, and then I draw a little graduation cap next to it. Am I scared? Yes, a little, but that's normal. New beginnings are scary, but also exciting. I look at the clock, it's getting late. I need to sleep early. Tomorrow's a big day. Before bed, I start getting ready. I open my brand new backpack and think, what do I need? First, I pack my notebooks, one for each subject. Then come my pens, pencils, and highlighter. I also pack my laptop, my charger, and of course, my calculator. I never go anywhere without it. Let's see. Notebooks, check. Pens, check. Student ID card, yes. Water bottle and snacks. In they go. I zip the bag and smile. Perfect. Next, I pick out my clothes. A nice blouse, clean jeans, and comfy shoes. I want to look confident on my first day. Everything's ready, and I did it all by myself. The next morning, I wake up before my alarm. I feel tired, but also excited. Today's the day. My mom helps me check my bag again. Ready? She asks. I nod and smile. We take the bus to the university. As I look out the window, I see students walking with backpacks, people going to work, cars everywhere. I hold my schedule tight and take a deep breath. My heart beats fast. I'm nervous, but in a good way. Mom talks to me on the bus. She tells me what to expect, how to find classrooms, meet professors, and make friends. I listen carefully. I want to do this right. After 20 minutes, we arrive. I see big buildings, green trees, and so many students. Wow, the campus is even bigger than I imagined. We walk past signs that say library, cafeteria, student services, building A. It's a lot to take in, but also very exciting. At the information desk, I show my student ID card and schedule. She smiles and says, "You're in the computer science program. Your first class is in Building C, room 201. I say thank you and take a map and a welcome packet from her desk. My mom gives me a big smile. You'll do great, she says. I wave goodbye and walk toward Building C. I follow the signs and find Building C. I go up to the second floor and look for room 201. There it is. I peek through the window. Some students are already inside. I take a deep breath and walk in. Good morning, I say softly. I find a seat in the middle and sit down. I feel proud. I found the classroom all by myself. There are about 30 students here. Some look nervous, just like me. A boy next to me turns and says, "Hi, I'm David. Are you new too?" "Yes," I smile. "I'm Emma. Nice to meet you." He says, "I'm a little nervous." "Me too," I reply, "but I think it'll be okay." At exactly 9 a.m., the professor walks in. He's tall, wearing glasses, and smiling. He writes on the board, "Professor Johnson." "Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Introduction to Computer Science. Don't worry, we'll learn amazing things together." I sit up straight. This is it, my first university lecture. I open my notebook, write the date, and start taking notes. He talks about programming, problem solving, and how computers think. It sounds so interesting. Some students ask questions. I just listen for now. After 50 minutes, the class ends. Read chapter 1 for next class, the professor says. I write that down quickly. David looks at me and says, "That wasn't so scary." I laugh. No, it was actually fun. We head to the cafeteria during the break. It's a big room with many food stations. I get a sandwich and orange juice. David gets soup. We sit near a window and eat. "What do you think so far?" he asks. "It's different from high school," I say, "but I like it. The professor was really nice." I check my phone. There's a message from Mom. "How's your first day?" I smile and reply, "Great so far. Made a new friend named David." My next class is math, and David's in it too. We walk together to Building B, room 150. This classroom is even bigger. There are around 50 students. The professor walks in, a woman with short hair and a friendly face. "Good morning, class," she says. "I'm Professor Martinez. Welcome to college mathematics." She starts writing numbers on the board. The math is harder than in high school, but I understand most of it. Sometimes I get confused, but I write down my questions to ask later. David looks confused too, sometimes. We share notes and help each other. At the end, the professor says, "Don't worry if it feels difficult now. You'll get better with practice." Outside the classroom, David says, "That was harder than I expected." "Yeah, I agree. But we can do it if we study together." "Good idea," he smiles. "Want to be study partners?" "Yes," I say. Now I feel happy. I'm not alone anymore. After my classes, I take the bus home. I look out the window thinking about everything I learned today. So many new things, new friends, new teachers. I call my mom. "How was your first day?" she asks. "Really good," I say. "I met a friend named David, and the professors are so nice." "I'm proud of you," she says. "You were brave today." I smile. "Thanks, Mom. I was nervous, but now I feel confident." At home, my family is waiting to hear all about it. My dad asks, "So, how was it?" "Amazing," I say. "Different than I expected, but in the best way." I tell them everything about my classes, my new friend, and the campus. Even my little brother listens carefully. "Are it classes hard?" he asks. "Yes," I say, "but I'm ready to work hard." We have my favorite dinner to celebrate. It's a great end to a big day. That night, I get ready for tomorrow, pack my bag, pick my clothes, check my schedule. I text David, "Thanks for being so friendly today. See you tomorrow." He replies, "You too. Let's sit together again." I smile and put my phone away. Lying in bed, I feel proud. 6 months ago, I was just a high school student. Today, I became a university student. Yes, I was nervous. Yes, it was hard, but I did it. I was brave, and I'm proud of myself. This is my story, my first day at university, and it's only the beginning.
Confidence. Confident. Meaning, feeling sure you can do something. Example, Emma feels more confident after her first day. Cafeteria. Meaning, a place where people eat meals at school or work. Example, Emma and David eat lunch in the cafeteria. Information desk. Meaning, a place where you ask questions and get help. Example, Emma asks for directions at the information desk. Graduation cap. Meaning, a special hat worn when you finish school. Example, she draws a small graduation cap in her diary. Excited. Meaning, very happy and looking forward to something. Example, she is excited to meet new people.
Did you like today's video? Tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new words about student life and going to university. If you want to learn more vocabulary, I've created a PDF for you. Check the video description to download it. Thank you for watching.